have an overview of the deployment side of our application. So for deploying three things, that is the database, the backend, as well as frontend, we have used Heroku services. So since our application is a Java application, let me just give you an overview of the steps that we followed to deploy our application on Heroku. To start with, for the setup, we had the brew install Heroku Heroku command, which basically installed Heroku CLI. Then nothing, but we just cloned our GitHub repository. And for deploying the app, we have to use the command Heroku create. So after Heroku create, if we give some name over here, then our application will be created with a distinct name. And while we need to deploy our actual application on Heroku, we have to use the command git push Heroku master. So once our application is compiled and deployed on Heroku, we should scale it so that it is accessible to different users. And like by just typing Heroku open, our application would open. Like here, for example, I just did a git push Heroku master, and if I do Heroku open, then my application should open. Yeah, there you see. So here my application is open. So this is basically the backend hosted URL, and if I search for any APIs, then it should give me, like, say I want to select all the albums which are in my database, so it gives me a full list, the full response that is basically being used by the by our website, by our front end, to fetch and display data into the website to the user. So this was basically deploying on Heroku. And then we have also used a database, a JawsDB database, to host our MySQL server. So this is the JawsDB the server that we have used with the connection string or so, and we have 5 MB of data available in the free tier. So yeah, that's it. So this is how we are deploying our application.